money and more. So talks money and more. Talks money and more. So talks money and more.
Hey guys, you are now tuned in to another episode of So Talks Money and More, where we keep it real about your wealth, your legacy, and everything in between. I'm your host, Dr. Sabrina Edmond Williams, educator, author, and investor, opening minds and closing contracts. I am so noted. And today's episode, this one's gonna make you call your mama, your uncle, and your cousin Pookie with a pen and a copy of a will. So let me tell you a story. And yes, this really happened. Down in Georgia, this man named Mr. Otis, everybody called him Big O. He had 60 acres of land that had been in his family for 3 generations. He had pecan trees, a fishing pond, and a little red house with a porch swing that squeaked when you rocked too hard. Everybody came down every summer, barbecues, fish fries, dominoes on the table, and stories on the porch till midnight. It was legacy, it was love. But Mr. Otis, he never made a will, said he was too busy, or the Lord's gonna take care of it. Well, when Big O passed, the Lord did take care of him, but the courts, baby, they don't work on faith. They work on paperwork. So the family's still grieving, planning the funeral, collecting old photos for the program. And before they could even start the probate process, a man shows up calling himself Juice and saying, I'm Big O's son, Otis Jr. Now the family is like, excuse me? Big O didn't have no kids. But OJ had a plan. He filed probate paperwork first, had a fake birth certificate, claimed he was the only heir, even had an old envelope with Big O's name on it to prove they had a relationship. By the time the family, the real family, caught up, tried to get a lawyer, dig up old letters, prove their connection, it was too late. That man, Juice, OJ, or whoever he was, walked away with the land, the house, the tractor, the whole photos, the Bible with all the family history in it, the porch swing, and even big old Sunday suits. And just like that, gone. And you know what the judge said? Well, no will, no trust, and he filed first. The family spent years, I mean years fighting, spent thousands on lawyers, and couldn't even get a key to the house. And all those family barbecues, gone. Pecan trees, sold. The house, rented out on Airbnb by Juice and his cousin like it wasn't sacred ground. Guys, this is the cost of not having a plan. This happens more than you think, especially in our communities. Fraudulent heirs, lost land, family fights, sentimental items auctioned off. All because we didn't write it down. Now, I'm not just here to break your heart, I'm here to help you break the cycle. Let me give you today's takeaways. One, make a will or a trust today. Don't wait. Tomorrow is not promised. Whether it's land, a house, or just grandma's cookbook, you need to put it in writing. Two, tell your people where your paperwork is. Having a will no one can find is like hiding your keys when you're locked out. Make sure someone you trust knows where to find a copy of your will. 3, file a deed with the right beneficiaries. For landowners, especially in the South, update your deeds. Consider drafting a transfer on death or a tithe deed or putting property in a trust so it bypasses probate. 4, document family relationships. Don't assume don't assume folks know who you're related to. Write down your kids' names, birth dates, even the history of your land. A photo album, it's nice, but it won't help you in court. Proof will. And 5, get help. Find an estate planning attorney who understands the nuances of family, legacy, and culture. Don't just download a free form and hope for the best. Listen, Big O's story is tragic. It's tragic, but it doesn't have to be your story. Let's stop thinking this stuff is just for rich folks. Wills and trusts are for anybody who loves somebody, and that includes you. Trust me now, thank me later. All right, guys, that's it for today's episode of So Talks Money and More. If this one hits you in the chest, share it with your family. Post it on Facebook. Text it to your group chat. Don't let Big O's story repeat itself. To learn more about how you can ensure your family doesn't get juiced, please visit learningtotrust.org. Until next time, secure the bag, protect the legacy, and don't just talk about it, be about it.